To create apps, you require loads and loads of coding. Certainly not. In this video, we're going to check out like 3 best websites through which you can create apps without the use of coding. Well, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Hemant Raj and let's get right into the video. First website in the list is AppTeaser. So you have this minimalist look on the website itself. You have everything. So if you scroll down, you also have like variety of features that it gives out, and you also have like a condition that is right up here that is stating the revenue. So if you're like interested to make money through app, it is gonna like just charge 50% of the advertisement charges and the remaining 50% is yours. So in the website you have like 2 categories to choose from. One is the business, in which you have like consistent amount of interaction between your client and yourself, and the second one is where you can create apps for interacting and making some money. So you have like a wide variety of templates to choose from, right from variety of games as well as the quiz, some functional apps to try out. So let me just go ahead and create an app to check out how good this website works. So let me create a quiz app. So right up here you have on the right side a preview of what you're developing. So there is a template to go into the development stage of the template. So click on the next, and right up there you have a tons and tons of customization. So right up there you can just add up a background of the app. So I just added up a man like just working on a white backdrop. So this is the category name that you're gonna give out. Like for suppose I'm creating a quiz app right up here, and the category is technology, and you can also add up an icon that resembles to the name. And so right up in the bottom you have like the options in where you can add the questions that are to be asked in the quiz. So you have like the correct answer as well as options that are to be provided, and it also like provides up with the colors of the buttons as well as the text that has to be displayed on the app. So once you're done with customization, you can go ahead and choose up the app name as well as the app icon that has to be displayed. Well, certainly after that you are ready to go with the app. You can simply click on the create button and log and sign up for an account in this website, and you have the app that is created. So right up here you have the QR code as well as the download links for you to download the app. So once clicking on the download link, you have your app downloaded right up there. The next website that lets you create those wonderful apps absolutely for free is Andromo. So Andromo is a clean and neat website from which you can understand everything at a single glance at its website. So once you get into Andromo, click on create the app. So you have these limited sort of templates from which type of app that you want to create. So once you go ahead, choose up the theme or the template, you can get started creating the app. So right up here, let me go ahead and create up an app for an event session, and let us check how well that goes. You start creating the app, you have this quick sort of tutorial to run through the various settings that are available and the placements of various options in the website itself. So you can simply run through it or skip it. So what I observed in this website is that it lets do the in-depth customization of each and every aspect of the app, right from the monetization and the security and services that are to be provided to the app. You can like customize every sort of thing. So have like different sort of themes and sort of order and customization that is to be provided to each and every element of the app. So you can also like upload some sort of files and data which has to be displayed when a certain sort of button is clicked. So you can also go ahead and register up for the Pro, which also lets you create unlimited number of apps and also lets you download it. You can also like access to those Pro features which are limited in free edition. The website that we are gonna visit today is Appify for creating those wonderful apps. So in this website, similar to the previous one, you have like limited sort of templates to choose from, and you can also like choose up the device on which you want to test your app. So you can go ahead and select up your device and go with the customization of the app. So one of those drawbacks I found out in the Andromo as well as in the Appify is that the ad build-up time is like pretty high. So even though the website eventually shows that it is gonna like take, but I ended up personally taking up 15 to 20 minutes, but I couldn't get it. So here I am checking out the app that we have created previously. Let's do it. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.